Happiness consists of living each day if it's were the first day of your honeymoon and the last day of your vacation. Leo Tolstoy.
Okay, let's go. Where are we going?
Right now.
What are we doing there?
Going for the weekend.
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, let's see if they dropped off the golf cart.
Land vacation.
Yeah, land vacation.
Land vacation
From the boat
sea.
vacation. All right, let's go.
Wait, climbing?
Okay, yeah, no, go
okay.
on.
Okay. So excited. Okay.
Off to Grand Isle Resort.
I need to say it 3 million times.
Grand Isle Resort.
Grand Isle Resort, Grand Isle Resort, Grand Isle Resort. Just like saying it.
Woo. Whoa, hot driver.
Big yacht is sending off their guests. They've been charter or the owners and they're leaving. And the crew is sending them off.
The crew's gonna get a break.
Yeah, look at that yacht. Woo. We have spent a lot of lunches and dinners at Grand Isle and really looking forward to actually spending some quality villa time.
Yes, take a long shower. I mean, not that we couldn't do that on the boat, but
And there's a
still different.
and a bath.
A bath.
Maybe there's a bath. Just because if there is, I'm definitely doing it. And also there's a new beach club that we haven't been to.
No, I want to check that out.
So that's on the list. There's a pool for Rico because he likes pool. Yeah. We gotta come here, Rico.
Yep.
I want to be in that beach club.
Thank you.
Happy New Year. And we're here. We got 2 golf carts so we can race.
Yeah.
One for you, one for me. I got a better one. Hello.
Need a ride?
Yes, please. Going for our tour of the property.
All right, you take the camera.
And our personal golf cart. Grand Isle just opened 2 weeks ago, so it's still kind of slow and not too many people here. Kind of nice.
Yeah, I like it.
Selfishly enjoying this. Don't worry, we didn't forget. We will give you a full tour of our Grand Isle villa right after.
Almost don't remember how it feels when you lay down in an open field. When you saw my dreams are turning real, so unreal. Do you like it better when the ocean's warm?
Hello. Hello. Hi. How are you? I'm good. So I was told you one of the best bartenders here. What should I order?
Seeing that we start to have such a beautiful background, water is blue, why not Exuma blue?
Exuma Blue.
Yeah.
What about you, Rico?
I'll have some of yours.
Okay.
In a summer state of mind. In a summer state of mind. Hands. Put 'em in the sky, yeah, raise your hands. We ain't got no worries, only plans. To make everybody dance. 'Cause we can.
Cheers, girl.
Cheers! Thank you!
And let me try.
Why didn't we have this here before, Rico?
Oh, that's good.
It's really good.
Oh, that's great.
Oh, that's good. All right, where are we going next?
23.
Okay.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.
In a summer state of mind. Oh, oh, oh,
So we're getting a special tour today from a very special man, I heard.
Yes.
I heard he's a really special man for this island and for the properties.
Hello everyone, I'm Robert Sands. I'm the hotel manager for Grand Isle, and welcome. Welcome to paradise. We call it barefoot luxury here at Grand Isle. Grand Isle consists of 78 villas, very high-end product. We have a 1-bedroom through 4-bedroom penthouse. We are now standing at the location 23 North, which is our beach club, which was recently built. On the outside of 23 North, we have our cabanas, we have our pool. We use this area a lot for weddings, for groups, for birthdays. We are available, so you can give us a call.
They're open.
yeah. I'm on my way now. I'm on my way now.
Gonna snoop quick here.
A little sneak peek. Look how big it is. It goes all the way there too.
Yeah. So yeah, they're well prepared
Like
for big events.
Oh, nice espresso machine.
Did we get married already? Yeah, we did.
We
Right?
did get married on the
Okay.
beach already. It did happen.
Or maybe we should just do another beach wedding just for the fun of it.
No beaches. No, this is it. We get one shot. So they do like getting ready room here for weddings. The bride gets ready here. And look at this table, it's so cool. Obviously, you know, it's all closed right now, but getting a little private tour.
To be a part of Grand Isle is an experience, from the arrival process to departure. Our motto is trying to blow you away and exceeding your expectations. Please come and visit us. We'll show you different locations on Grand Isle, what we have to offer, the beauty, the food, the people, which is very important.
Big
because-
part of it. Big part of why we love coming here.
Oh yeah, we're very hospitable people, very friendly, warm and loving. And you will see that as you walk around and interact with our staff.
And you can play golf here too, I heard.
Yeah, you can golf. You've got
Absolutely.
3 different restaurants,
That's correct.
which we're gonna go around and experience. And well, what else? What else do we have? We have a spa.
We have a spa, and if you get tired of walking, we have golf carts.
Love those golf carts.
Each villa comes with a golf cart. The amenities in our villas are, to speak of it doesn't give it justice. You have to come and visit to actually get that full experience.
Totally agree.
Yep.
All right, what else are we gonna go see?
Well, let's walk
Yeah.
along.
I don't want to be dragged in a box. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
or show everybody our place?
A little tipsy from my cocktail.
Oh. All right, you
This is a strong cocktail.
pull it together. You're on camera. Let's go.
So our golf cart is over there. There's golf cart garages.
Yep.
Each villa gets a golf cart garage. We don't have a yacht tour for you guys this weekend, but we gonna give you a different tour. We just some kind of tour. So should we treat it like a yacht?
Yeah, let's just treat it like a
We're just
boat.
gonna give you a yacht tour. Pretend it's a yacht. Come on in. Very spacious.
Yep.
All right, so the galley is right to the starboard side as soon as you walk in.
As soon as you walk in.
All right, what do we got here in the galley? I mean, it's a really nice size kitchen.
Yes.
So full-size fridge, freezer. We already moved in, you guys, so all here. Freezer, 2 drawers.
Nice.
Really nice. Tons of storage here. We have a 4-burner stove, an oven, pretty big microwave, all sorts of gadgets. There's even a can opener. I don't know last time I've seen a can opener somewhere, like an electric, right? So I feel like we should just like get a can or something just to open it, Rico. Kind of nostalgic. Okay, double sink, dishwasher.
Dishwasher.
This is actually honestly the perfect size. This is
Yeah.
what I would like to
I
have.
really like the draw dishwashers actually.
Yeah, we just didn't have the width on our boat, right, when we replaced ours. So drawers here, coming forward to the salon / living room. Really nice. Got a dining area for 4. There are bar stools over there. What is this?
Water heater.
Is it?
Just a closet full of water heater.
Yes.
Yeah.
And let's see. Am I doing this the wrong way? Okay.
Oh, that's fine.
So we have big TV, sitting area here, a really nice couch. Demonstrate.
Super comfy.
Comfortable.
And a really nice view.
You said we did the view last.
Well, at least I can show it. And what's really cool, we actually also straight at the marina. Pretty cool.
I really like the ceiling. I think that's really pretty. It's got that nice island vibe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's got kind of an island chic
With the wooden inserts.
decor.
Yeah. Let's check out our bathroom.
More doors.
Breaker panel.
There's like door for all of that. There's
Oh,
also like AC door there.
Yeah.
Okay, so we go into
The bathroom. Port side.
port aft. Dual vanity. Really nice mirror. Then we have a good sized shower. Okay, tradition, right? I gotta walk in. Great. Look how tall this is. You guys, I don't know, super tall.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's like coral, really nice. Okay, there's tons of storage here underneath with drawers and yeah, tons. A bathtub, planning on using. And there's a separate head,
Yep.
separate bathroom. And this is washer and dryer,
Uh-huh.
which is really nice to have in the unit when you're on vacation, I gotta say. Really, really nice.
Agreed.
You can come home with clean clothes, which is pretty awesome.
Another full size.
What's that here? And on here we have his and her closets. We have our stuff already in them, but here you guys can tell, pretty big. Rico's closet with almost nothing in it. My closet is a little,
Yours is full, huh?
is a little more full. Yeah, I have a little more stuff. Okay, and coming into the master bedroom / only 1 bedroom. This is a 1 bedroom villa. So what size bed is this, Rico? You're the bed professional.
King size bed.
King size bed.
Very comfortable.
Yeah, it's really nice. And we've got these drawers here, drawers. There's tons of space. And the best part is you've got entrance from both sides. You also have it from the living room. It's really hard to like talk in a normal boat. I mean, house terms now. Can't even. I just want to say salon. It's really messed up. It's screwing with me. How about this view, you guys? So this is the marina where our boat is, and yeah, we'll go there tomorrow and continue sailing.
Yep.
Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah.
So there's a whole other side, obviously, which you guys saw the beach and stuff, and you can have that views, which is pretty nice too. But kind of enjoying, you know, we can have both.
And it's a super calm day, really nice weather. It's really nice and warm. So
Rika said, let's do this quick and go for a swim.
let's go for a swim.
So this is it. This is all you guys
Oh, you
get.
know, we're gonna take you guys with us.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put the GoPro in a different case. Actually, I just put the regular case on.
I got my bikini on already. Woo! Let's go. Okay. Keep going.
Get you off my mind.
Okay, you guys, seriously, this is one of the best conch chowders ever.
delicious.
Oh my, my drink that I was drinking?
Yeah. Is it
This-
yours?
Okay, so this conch chowder is insane. This is what I look forward to every time I come here. Even when we don't stay here, this is what I order. Seriously, my jam. So good. You guys don't know what conch is?
Google it. God, that view. What do you think?
I think I should sit over there.
Where?
I think you should kill the camera and I should sit where the camera is.
No.
So I can properly enjoy it. Sorry guys. Bye. Bye. And just like that, our incredible time at Granelle Resort was over and it was time to get back to work. Our next charter guests were arriving tomorrow. It isn't how much time you spend somewhere that makes it memorable, it is how you spend the time. David Brenner. I just got my test result. Negative. This morning. You want a hug?
Yeah.
You know the 5-day test we have to do.
You got it, yeah.
Just this morning.
Wasn't too bad.
But you wait until he's right here. He wants it cold. Like, all I want is a cold Khalik. We dreamed all year of Khalik.
Really?
Yeah, because we're on the West Coast. We're in Los Angeles. We don't have Khalik. No. In Florida you can get it.
Not that night.
No.
Yes,
You can't compare. No, you can't do it. You're spoiled. Don't kill us.
How's the screen?
Good.
I'm not sure if that's clean.
Not clean? Oh, I don't know if it's clean. Is it clean?
It's clean.
Anyway, we spent a lot of...
Oh, they're all waving.
What? What?
They were all waving.
To us
To
or to
them.
them? I was like, to us? That's weird. Okay, can you stop doing this?
Okay, go ahead.
Are we not doing the
What are we doing?
We look like bloggers with a big dead cat and our whatever this thing's called and cameras, and this dead cat is like this big. This big.
Yeah,
Don't we have a thing here you can see?
yeah, I don't know what happened. After you connected it to your iPhone, iPad, it's all changed. Everything messed up. Are we gonna go for a swim? Yeah. Yeah. Let's go for a swim.
Swimming, that's a women-owned boat. No boys. The boys.
No cleaning.
This is a beautiful boat.
Yeah, it's gorgeous.
But really strong Wi-Fi. We're picking it up in our villa.
It's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's a nice boat.
Just wanted to show you guys this footage I accidentally caught actually while flying the drone and filming for this video. There's a massive water spout which you can see on the horizon there, and you can actually see how it pulls up all the water from the ocean. It's like a little tornado, or in the desert would be a dust devil. Pretty cool, huh?